going to see is how to create this Zoom TV logo. Let me remove this and delete and start from scratch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle and I'm going to make it duplicate. I'm pressing the shift and dragging inside. Using the pick tool, placing it has become very small. If you press shift, what happens is it will spread across without losing the shape original size. Right now what we are going to do is I'm going to create another circle by making it duplicate. I'm pressing Ctrl T and I'm going to drag this over here. I'm pressing the Ctrl, I'm pressing the shift and going to drag inside. We have a problem right now. And this seems okay. I'm going to fill the color. The red one will be the nice option. The middle one should have the color white and the top should have the color red, and that is done. It's looking absolutely nice. If you want, you can use your arrow key to properly position the circles. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and make this as a single object, that is group object, and I made it. And I'm going to press Ctrl T. What it does is it just make the duplicate. Going to make it side by side. We don't need like this, we want a flip like effect. For that I'm pressing shift and I'm going to drag. You can see it is turning from its original position, and this one should have a slightly bigger size. For that I'm pressing shift and I'm going to drag out. A little more would be okay, and that is absolutely fine. And now it's time for making the alphabets. For that I'm going to choose Z. Before that we would need the ruler. You can see I'm just dragging the ruler from the top. I'm going to type Z. I'm going to make the size large. Let us make it bold just by clicking it. That works fine. Let me zoom out. Now it's time for M. I'm going to click A, text. I'm going to press on here. I'm going to type M. I'm going to drag it to fit the line which I have created, the margin line. I have to make this bold, and yep, that's done. It looks like the size is very big. We need to make the size of the ball. For that I'm going to press shift and drag it out. That is working fine. It's time to give some space between the two circles. I hope this is nice, this is okay. And the zoom should have some space, and that's fine. Let me remove the, just by pressing delete, it will disappear. Now it's time to make the container. For that I'm going to choose rectangle, and I'm going to fill the black color. Before filling the black color, I want the text to be white. I'll make it white, and then I'll make the container black, not the whole one, just by the container plays a problem here. I want the container to be at the back. For that I'm going to order to back of each, and now that's done. Now we can easily select. The reason for doing that is we cannot select it because the container would be at the top of the layer. Now the container went to the back. Now we can select the individual alphabet of your own choice. It's time to choose the container and make it black. And this was it, the logo of Zoom, which we done right now. And that's it.